Hi, it's Anne here. In this Super Affiliate AI review, I am going to show you how this #1 AI tool can build your Super Affiliate ads and funnel content in less than 60 seconds with point and click interface. Make sure you stay to this end of this review, as I am going to show you a detailed demo of this software to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If at any point during this review you want to check out Super Affiliate AI, just click on the link below and you'll also be able to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel, and to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's have a quick look at the bonus page. All of these exclusive bonuses will be available to you if you decide to purchase from my site. And all of these special bonuses will be right inside your account, waiting for you after you purchase Super Affiliate AI. Let's do a walkthrough together with Super Affiliate AI sales page. It's the #1 AI tool that can build your Super Affiliate ads and funnel content in less than 60 seconds with point and click interface. You get access to the top affiliate marketplaces like JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. It creates email follow-up series in just a few clicks, and you can save thousands in human outsourcing fees and turnaround time. And let's discover the power of Super Affiliate AI on its powerful features. It can generate incredible AI FB ads with point and click interface, create instant landing page copy in just a few clicks, generate incredible follow-up email sequences, create YouTube video sequences with scene and director notes, build amazing Google ads according to requirements, access to the amazing tool for generating subject lines for emails with no more brain freeze. You can select how many keywords that you need, and you can attract high-quality clients on this business-to-business network. Super Affiliate AI works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, select your campaign in one click from JVZoo, ClickBank, or Warrior Plus. And next, you can choose your target audience, niche, and gender. Second step, hit build and watch Super Affiliate AI build your campaign in seconds with everything that you need, from FB AI ads to email AI script to YouTube AI ads, Google AI ads, LinkedIn AI ad, text and email AI subject lines, and keywords AI. And lastly, you can now copy, paste, and launch your campaigns wherever you want. Next, I will show you a detailed demo of this software to know exactly what you're getting into. And I'll come back showing you the Super Affiliate AI front-end offer if you decide to grab a copy during this special launch. And I'll see you after this.
Super Affiliate, and in this demo video we're going to show you around all the different features of Super Affiliate AI. Okay, so let's get started. So we can go to create ad, and from here we have ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. Now we can either direct link into those in one click to get an affiliate offer, which we'll do in a minute, or we can enter any URL in there and it will create the campaign name or product or description automatically there. But for now, let's choose ClickBank. Okay, so we're going to ClickBank, or we'll go to JVZoo. So we're going to JVZoo, and let's just pick an offer here. Okay, Click Agency AI, learn more. And what we're going to do is literally go and copy this URL in. We're going to go back to the software, we're going to paste it in, and we're going to go suggest. And Super Affiliate AI is now going to build out our campaign live in real time and give us the campaign name and product or service description. So as you can see, it takes maybe 10-15 seconds. It's give the product name here, and it's a full detail of what Click Agency AI is. So now we go to create. And we have all these different options here. We've got our headline, we've got our text ad, we've got keywords, We've got YouTube scripts, we've got LinkedIn text ads, we've got Google text ads, Facebook text ads, and email follow-up. So we'll just go through these one by one. Headline, how many words do we want to generate? Hit create. There we go. Revolutionize your lead generation with Click Agency AI. Regenerate. Boom, new headline. Look, there we go. Regenerate. Super easy. One click, copy ad. Look at that. Copy to clipboard. Super easy to use. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll look at a Facebook text ad. So again, we can see who we're targeting, business to business or people. Is there a gender, target age range, and friendly, professional, or funny? Let's go for professional. Again, we go to create. So Super Affiliate AI is now using that information, and look how quick it is as well. Look, and what's amazing about it is it provides the headline, it provides the primary text and the description, all in the fields that Facebook needs. Okay, so if you try to use ChatGPT to create a Facebook ad and for it to spit out this data with the correct number of data points and the correct number of lines, it's going to cause a lot of hassle. With Super Affiliate AI, it takes seconds, literally. You want a new ad? Hit regenerate. Let's watch the ad appear. And boom, there we go. And as you can see, these are good ads to start. So again, regenerate, we do it again. And the new ad. So again, we go to copy ad. It's as easy as that. So again, we're going back to our text ad. We'll put in, say, a 30-word limit, a text ad. Again, all our different targeting. And that will now create a text ad. So there we go. Again, regenerate. This is the power of combining Super Affiliate AI, and why ChatGPT, as good as it is not anywhere near as user-friendly as this. Okay, so keywords, we can generate a keyword list. So then we can have money keywords, which are kind of more buyer-based keywords for people intent on buying this type of product, or informational. So we'll go to money and we'll create it. And there we go. So words that people would be typing in for buyer keywords. YouTube script. So again, let's put in the script length in seconds. We'll put in 30. We'll put in this. Let's put a funny tone to see what it says. And now we're going to generate that. Now, if you imagine, if you had to pay someone to do a YouTube script for you, it would cost hundreds to thousands of dollars, and it would probably take 2 days turnaround time. By using the power of Super Affiliate AI, we're able to generate this in seconds. Now look at this. Opening shot of a middle-aged person sitting in front of a computer looking frustrated. It even gives you the director's notes. Narrator, are you tired of struggling to get traffic and leads for your online business? Cut to a shot of the Click Agency AI. Like, it literally tells you everything here. Yeah, unbelievable. We also have LinkedIn text ads, which is great for business professionals. We have Google text ads. Again, we'll show that quickly. And by the way, if you want more detailed videos or individual ones of each feature, scroll down this webpage and they're all there. So again, these are all the headlines that we use. These are the descriptions. That's if like you went to Google, you search for a Google ad. Again, you've got one-click regeneration. Email follow-up series. So again, let's get an email series. Again, if you were to hire someone to write 5 emails for you, you'll probably pay anywhere from $50 to $300 an email. That would be a common price, and it'll take days to get back. You could literally go and create emails and sell them on services like Upwork and Fiverr, and Super Affiliate AI is doing all the work for you. So it's going to generate our email here. Are you struggling to generate leads for your online business? I understand that running an online business can be tough, especially when it comes to generating traffic. Since the pandemic hit, many of us have taken our businesses online. This is where Click Agency AI can help. It's an all-in-one AI tech tool that runs a video lead generation for you from scratch. All you need to do is enter a keyword, and look, It's literally writing the emails for you, and you can hit regenerate and it's going to regenerate the ad. This on its own is an incredible tool, literally email generation, but it's just part of the Super Affiliate AI suite. There we go, brand new email. It took about 5 seconds. So you can scroll down, headlines, text ads. Again, you can just click on it. You can select your campaigns in one click. Very, very easy to use. Okay, so scroll down this page. Okay, scroll down the page, check out everything on this page. We are running a very special offer at the minute. Get in while it's hot. See you on the inside.
Welcome back. Let's have a look at what you'll be getting with Super Affiliate AI if you decide to grab a copy today. On the front end side, you have Super Affiliate AI starter level, business level, and enterprise level. Business level and enterprise level is the best deal. For business level, you get access to over 100,000 prompts built into this software. One-click direct access into JBZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Affiliate marketplaces. You can build 100 campaigns per month, create AI FPS, create AI text headlines, access to 2,500 characters per campaign, create AI keyword lists, create YouTube ad scripts, create landing page content, create email follow-up series, and create LinkedIn ads. For enterprise level, you'll be able to build unlimited campaigns per month, and you get access to 5,000 characters per campaign. And you can get all this today with just a low one-time payment. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out Super Affiliate AI, just click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.